Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Google Optimize alternatives for UX testing. Begin by identifying the needs of your UX testing workflow. Research available alternatives to Google Optimize. Visit the official websites of the selected tools for download. Check the compatibility of each tool with your operating system. Create an account on the platform if required. Download the installer file for the tool you want to use. Locate the downloaded file in your computer's Downloads folder. Double-click the installer to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Open the application once the installation is finished. Familiarize yourself with the user interface of the new tool. Set up your first project or experiment within the application. Import any existing data or user segments if needed. Design your testing experiment based on your UX objectives. Launch your experiment and monitor its performance. Review the results and insights generated by the tool. Make adjustments to your workflow as necessary based on the findings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.